So this is also a very well drawn graph. Immediately you see most of the things are there. We'll run through the 4 points again. So a good graph comes from axis, scale, points, and lines. 4 marks. And you can see that it's not very difficult to get the 4 marks. So where does axis mark come from? The title with the 2 units, both given correctly. The labeling of the axis with the units, they are both correct. The correct number of decimal place, 1 decimal place in this experiment and 2 decimal place for the y-axis, as well as the origin is marked correctly. Okay, so there is a 1 mark for your axis. Now some of you, what you're doing is this. When the number of decimal place here is 2, your table says 1, so it's different. Then you will not get a mark. Or some of you have 1 decimal, 1 decimal, 1 decimal, then suddenly you have a different decimal place. So you must be consistent. Secondly, look at the scale of this graph. I don't even need to check and count anything. Look at the first point and the last point. They are so far apart. There's no way this is smaller than half the graph paper. But if by right, what we do in the exam is we'll count at least 4 or 5 squares across, at least 6 squares vertically. So this definitely will get 1 mark. I don't even need to count. Okay, I did a quick check of all the points. I will check, the examiner will check your points. Every single point must be checked. So I will check all your points. If it's all correct, there will be 1 mark. Now to tell you the truth, in O level, I will allow for 1 plotting error in 1 point. So don't be careless, okay? If you have 5 points correct, I'll still give you the mark. Finally, for the line, if you notice, none of the points are on the line. You see? This point is not on the line, not on the line, not on the line, not on the line, not on the line. None of the points are on the line. So what do? We just check whether it is 3 each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 each is a balanced graph. There are some of you where I draw the line and I tilted it for you. When will that happen? Okay, if you have a line like this, let's say you have 3 points, 1, 2, 3 here at the top, and then 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. You can see that your line will need to be tilted to be more balanced. So this is a very good line. So 4 marks out of 4. Okay.